Today we're going to go over how to download your data from a KestrelMet 6000 weather station. So first we're going to go in and log into our KestrelMet.net account. And if you have the tile showing on the dashboard, then just go to charts and graphs. And then we'll set the date range for what data we want to export. I'm going to do the last 30 days. And you'll see all the details under the Detailed tab. This is where you need to go. The 3-line bars, you'll see all your data down here. Now, how do we get this off the website? We'll click on this download button and we'll export all the data. It's going to take a little bit. I'll fast forward it, and now I'm just going to open the Excel file that comes up. And we'll see we have all the data throughout here. Now, if I want to do some graphing, I'll go to another sheet. I could do insert, a scatter graph, and I'll just quickly show you a little tip on how to do this. We're going to select the data. I'm going to do the outdoor temperature, and then select the date and time, and just do Shift Control down. And do the same thing for outdoor temperature. We're going to do Shift Control down. And okay, there's our data over that time. Now if we want to add another one, I'm going to add barometric pressure. So we're going to do add again. And this time we're going to go into barometric pressure, click on it. And then I also have to do the date and time fields again, and then the actual data again. Now once we have this, we could right click on the axis, and I could put this on the secondary axis. So now the pressure's on the right and the temperature's on the left.